Hey guys, this is Motoki and I run a ramen restaurant in Kyoto and Osaka. So today I'm gonna show you how to make tare and create a delicious ramen broth. Tare is a sauce that's combined with the broth and gives it flavor. The broth that's used in ramen typically doesn't have any flavoring added to it. So by adding tare to the broth, we create the wonderful taste of the ramen broth. By changing the tare, we can make different kinds of ramen even with the same broth, such as soy sauce, shio, miso, and more. Today we'll be talking about how to make the tare for soy sauce ramen. The most important factor in making delicious tare for ramen is umami. These are today's ingredients. Umami can best be described as a savory or brothy flavor and is a key component in Japanese cooking. By keeping umami in mind while cooking, you can make delicious as well as healthy food with reduced sodium. We'll be extracting the amino acid glutamate from this konbu and the compound inosinate from this bonito flakes. By combining glutamate and the inosinic compound in the same ratio, rather than extracting them individually, we can increase the umami by up to 7 times. When the temperature reaches about 80 degrees, turn off the fire and let it for 40 minutes. Be careful not to let the mixture come to a boil, otherwise dried ingredients will release a harsh, unpleasant taste. Then strain your mixture with a colander and you are finished.